Welcome to Titan Machinery of Dickinson. In today's video, we'll be demonstrating a 2012 Case CX36B. Let's take a closer look at the features on this mini excavator. This Case CX36B has 28 horsepower and a hydrostatic transmission, and it features 11.8-inch tracks. We have multiple units available with similar equipped features. Thank you for viewing this Case CX36B. If you're interested in this mini excavator and would like to contact our sales staff, give them a call at 701-227-5309. To view other available new and used equipment, check out dickinson.titanmachinery.com.